All right, you guys, welcome to Casa Grande. We're gonna take a walk through of a couple floor plans at Arroyo Grande here in Casa Grande. This is my first time in them, so you're gonna have to excuse any of my excitement if I happen to have any. So we're gonna start in the first bedroom of this particular model. Again, I don't know anything about it. So this one is the first bedroom. As you can see, it fits a full-size bed. You can easily get a nightstand on either side. They were able to put a dresser in here, so this is a full-size bedroom, or you can use this as your office, again, as it does sit at the front of the house. So you got a standard closet, nothing too fancy about it, but it actually is a closet. So that's room number one. It's got its own little hallway. Here's some linen closet tree here, and then here's the hallway bathroom, which again, pretty standard, but nice stuff regardless. You got your full mirror, tub, and shower combo, and that's a deep tub. That's a nice deep tub there. Oh, and it's moss all over the place. That's bathroom number one. Here is bedroom number two. This bedroom looks a little bit bigger, maybe not. No, it's a little bit bigger, I think, than that first one. No, it's not, because if you were to take and put a full-size bed in here, it's going to be a tight squeeze, and that's because of the way it sits. So not that it's a smaller bedroom, but it's laid out differently, so then makes, you know, what you can and can't do in this room different. Same closet, so literally you have the same thing going on here, but this one just, it's a little bit tighter than that first one up front there. And again, that's just because of the way the room sits. So it's definitely functional. So you got this long, extra wide hallway as you're going to the living area of the home. Out this way is going to be into the office, but here's a nice large laundry room with a shelf. The floors are really, really cute in here. Here's the living room, dining room, kitchen, which is not bad at all. I like this little space here for extra countertops. Here is your, your pantry, and it's a walk-in pantry. I did not expect that, I will admit. Didn't expect the walk-in pantry there. You've got cabinets over here. You've got cabinets over there. Very beautiful backsplash that was chosen. Got your quartz countertop, so that is an option for you. Here is another closet. Let's make sure it's a closet. It is just a closet. So it looks like this is going to come, and I'm sure you can change that if you want to make the whole floor tile throughout, but they did carpet the living room area so you can see the separation between the living room and the dining room area here. And again, there's your kitchen, fully equipped with all of your appliances and your extra large island there. So this is how far we are from the front door, just to give you an idea of the space again. Then we're gonna hit this corner here, and we have another bathroom. So this would be your guest bathroom here, more of your powder room. So again, you got your toilet, you got your sink, and that's pretty much it. But it's a really nice size. It's like not claustrophobic for a bathroom, you know what I mean? So here is the primary bedroom, and it's just a standard bedroom here. You can pretty much, these moths are driving me nuts. You can fit a queen, full, king, everything in this room and still have space. You can add this door, you can leave that as a wall, and again, you'll have more space in your room to use the wall space. The bathroom is cute. Here is your soaking garden tub with your separate and extra large shower. Nice size closet for the size of the house. This is a nice size primary room closet, honestly speaking. I do like there are double sinks, and there's counter space between those sinks. So you do have some counter space, and then here's your toilet room over there. So I like this floor plan. For a 3-bedroom, it doesn't feel tight. So if you're looking for something along these lines, I'll get you the details. They will be in the video description. And if you have any questions, or you're looking to buy a new home in Casa Grande, let me know. We'll get you taken care of. 623-207-7146.